So should you be eating more on your training days while eating less on your rest days? Yes and no. So if you feel like eating more actually improves your workout performance and helps keep you satiated and full throughout the day, then by all means eat more. But also know that for most people, it doesn't make a huge difference. Even though technically, yes, your body requires more energy because it burns more calories on certain days versus other days, it's really negligible over the grand scheme of things. As long as you're hitting your calories over the weekly and monthly basis over the long term, you're going to be good to go. Hope this helps, and to grab your free training and nutrition guide, hit the link in my bio.